riders perform their final laps, let's take a look at the final ranking of the race, which has just finished. We're back live from the circuit for the sprint podium. These three riders went toe-to-toe in a truly outstanding race and deserve all the love of the fans. Greetings to all from Barcelona in Spain. We're reporting from the Catalunya circuit, where the fans in the stands are anxiously waiting to see the riders take to the track. After a long weekend, the race is finally about to start. We're on the starting grid, where the engineers are completing their checks before the start. The riders are lined up on the grid with Marquez ready to start in pole position. Just a few more seconds until the lights go out and the Grand Prix begins.